Hello, today we can check the recursive city in SQL. So recursive city are used to repeat procedure loops. The recursive query call themselves until the query satisfies the conditions. Okay. In a recursive city, we should provide our condition to terminate the recursion. Suppose union are also we can use for the recursive city. We can write a simple recursive city to display numbers up to 20. Okay. So first we can write a query city with city recursive, and here we open this. We want to just display one number. Okay. So here we can use select one as numbers. Okay. And we want to get the data from the city. Then we can use select star for city recursive. Okay. So this is a simple city. We will execute this, and we will get output number 1. Okay. So recursive city means this will call recursive. Okay. So we need to use recursive city. Use union or after that we can use the same city. The city select from city where we want to check the numbers. This is the numbers. Okay. We want to check numbers up to less than 20. Okay. So in this recursive we can given this numbers plus 1. So first query we will get 1. After that we are using union all. After that this statement we are calling the same city. Okay. So this city will increment these numbers. It will recursively call up to numbers less than 2. Okay. We can just execute this query. You can see we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 20. Okay. So this is the recursive city syntax. Normal query with the union all. After that we are calling the same city. You can see city recursive. And here we are given the where condition. That is here mentioning it will provide a where condition to terminate the recursion. So we are given the recursions. Okay. And here it will increment the numbers. We are not given this where condition, then it will throw the result. Okay. The maximum recursion error will come. Okay. That also we can check. So here we need to check the where conditions for terminating the recursion. Okay. Okay. Then we want to just check. We want to remove this hard coding and we want to this value here. Declare. We can give one variables numbers int. We can give up to 100, and we can check this value here. Numbers less than numbers. You can just execute this code. All other codes are same. So we declare one variable. After that, we can open this city. We have called that city recursively. Just select that city. Just execute. Okay. Before city, we need to put semicolon. Just execute. Now we are getting the value up to 100. We want to just display up to 500. Just execute. Now it throws error. This is showing the maximum recursion is 100. Okay. So the maximum default maximum recursion is 100. We want to get up to 500. What we will do? So we can give an option max recursion 500. You can give an option max recursion 500. You can just execute it already. Now we are getting the output. Okay. Now it is displaying up to 500. We want to display up to 5,000. Just execute. It is also working. Okay. We can just check with 50,000. Here also we will change 50,000. Just execute this query. Now it is throwing error. Value 50,000 specified for maximum recursion. Option exceed. The allowed maximum limit is 32767. Okay. Above recursion is not allowed. So in this case, we can use maximum recursion 0. Okay. Then we will get the output. Okay. Now we will get the output. Okay. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe.